Hey, Jason Moss here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your password inside of Cpanel, okay, with PHPMyAdmin, all right? So this is, for like if you got locked out of your WordPress website, maybe the lost your password function doesn't work because you don't have access to the email account that your admin is tied to. Or it could be for other various reasons. Maybe someone's locked you out and you can't get into it, but you do have cPanel access. Well, this is how you change that, okay? So if you're locked out and, you're getting this message, all right, can't get in, all right, lost your password, doesn't work, this is how you do it. You're going to want to log in into your hosting account and into your cPanel account, okay, where your website lives. So cPanel kind of looks something like this. This is on SiteGround hosting. Now your cPanel might look different, okay? There's different layouts, I guess you call them, or themes, I think they're called, for cPanel. But if you see a lot of these little things, and it just looks a little bit different, and it could, there's different themes to the cPanel. You're in the right spot though, okay? But what you want to look for is PHPMyAdmin, all right? So you can scroll through it and find it, or you can come over to the search and just type in like PHP, all right? And there it is, PHPMyAdmin. That is what you are looking for, all right? So you click on that. It opens up. Once it is open, okay, it's going to look like this, but on the left-hand side, it's going to look different for you because everybody's installation files are different, okay? For me, all right, and these are all different websites that are on this hosting, okay? I know what I'm trying to do here is this website right here, okay? So once you click on the plus icon to open up the different databases to your website, okay, you're going to want to click on users, all right? When you click on users, you're going to have your website's users pop up here. There might be one, there might be 5 of them, depending on your website, of course. For whatever user you want to change, this is what you do. First, you find the user that you want, okay? You click on edit, all right, and you're going to come over to the user pass field, okay? Now, this is not the password for that user, okay? This is an encrypted MD5 encryption of the password, okay? And there's no way to decrypt this, all right? It only goes one way, all right? So you're just going to have to change it. You can't find out what the old password is, all right? So what you do, you just delete that, all right? And let's type in new password, okay? Put in whatever you like, of course, all right? And don't hit go yet, all right? You're going to have to come over to this field here, the function field, and we want to select MD5, okay? So it's got to be MD5 and then your new password that you put. All right, then we hit go. All right, and it does its thing, it saves it. All right, so now we can come back over here. All right, this is the username, and we're going to type in NEWPASSWORD, new password. All right, log in, and we are in. Okay, so it works perfectly. All right, and just to show you again, all right, so if we came back over here, all right, we do it again and watch what happens because we're logged into the website. All right, if we change this password again, let's say old password, all right, user pass MD5, okay, we hit go, all right, and you'll see it's going to log me out. Boom, yeah, see, it kicked me out, all right, because it knows the password's been changed. Now we type in old password, and logs us back in. All right, so it's easy as that, guys. That is how you change your password inside of Cpanel, inside of the PHPMyAdmin area. It comes in very handy to know that little roundabout trick. You'll use it more times than you might think. All right, but if you got questions or if something is unclear, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. If this video helped you out in any possible way, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys.